Hello from me. Hello from Rosie. Today we are going to make a starter. It is going to be a fish cake, which we're going to serve with hollandaise sauce and a little bit of sweet chili. Now, some people, they don't like fish because they say it's got bones in it and it smells. Well, this is a guaranteed no smell, no bones fish cakes. It's going to be great. Good girl. Let's go. And I've got about 200 grams worth of haddock. It could be cod, whichever fish you like, really. And I've got about the same amount of potatoes. So first step is just boil up your potatoes. So I've just got a medium heat here, and I'm just going to fry it up with some olive oil. I've not added any salt. You can if you want, but it's pretty salty already, so I don't bother adding any. Okay, and I'm just going to put this in a bowl to cool. And this is actually what's so great about using haddock or similar, is that you get nice big flaky chunks, which is exactly what we want. So I want a little spice and I want a little bit of colour in the fish cakes. So I'm going to chop up green chilli and some parsley. Pop it. The recipe is in the description, and if you like the recipe and you like the channel, why not subscribe? Hey, why not? I'm just going to mix it in with a fork. Okay, so I think these potatoes are about ready. We want it so the knife just goes in, so there's a bit of resistance. That looks perfect because we don't want them too mushy. Okay, so we'll drain these and then we'll mash them. So the only thing to try and remember is don't let these potatoes get too mushy, but just a little bit of resistance is good. Okay, so we're going to let this cool and then we'll mix it in with the fish. So I'm going to serve this with hollandaise sauce. Well, this video is not about how to make hollandaise sauce, it's about how to make a fish cake. So I am going to use a packet version of this and just follow the instructions. Although, what I will say is with these packet of sauces, the key is to add the milk a little bit at a time, and then that way you don't get lumps. So, top tip. Okay, so the potato is cold enough to handle. Let's just pop it in the pan. And then we're going to make this into probably 4 potato cakes. Just mix that together, but we just need something to combine it. So I'm just going to pop an egg yolk in there. We'll just split this up. Pretty easy, actually. So I've seen a lot of restaurants do potato cakes, but they call them fish croquets. So yeah, it's just a different shape, basically. But yeah, let's do a fish croquet, just so we can say we're a bit chefy, I suppose. Okay, so we have got some flour, egg, and some breadcrumbs, and we're going to basically dip the fish cakes into the flour, then into the egg, and then into the breadcrumbs, and we're going to bake these. So I know a lot of places they deep fry stuff, but I don't know, a few years ago in the 70s, everybody had a deep fryer, but not so many people do these days. And I think it's an element of risk doing stuff for the first time. So these are baked in the oven. Anyway, let's crack on. So try and get everything covered in the flour. Okay. All right. So that's what we're after. Okay, and a croquet eye roll. So we'll put them in the oven for about 20 minutes on about 190, and then I'll be ready to plate up. Okay, wine pairing time. I'm going to go Portuguese Vino Verde. That is going to go great with the fish. Obrigado. Some of the sweet chili sauce, which I also didn't make. Not Jane's fish cakes. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it.